Just taking you through nice and easy way to send funds from Binance, Bitcoin in particular. So I'm going to send Bitcoin out of Binance just to show you how to do that to one of my wallets. So the first thing you'd want to do if you haven't transferred before is go to your icon by here and then go to security. And then if you haven't added in a withdrawal address, if you go to address management, and then you'll want to add in your address here. So if you haven't got an address already, you can add in the address so that you don't have to keep entering the address every time and it's saved in, like a number in your phone, for example. So once you've done there, in my case, I've already got that. So I'm going to go to my wallet and I'm going to go to withdraw and I click on withdraw and withdraw in crypto. If it shows withdraw fiat, it'll say withdraw crypto in this corner by here. So you want to go select Bitcoin, go to your address book. In my case, I'm sending it here. And I'm going to select max because I want to send it all. And then I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay. So obviously it's going to ask us a few questionnaires. Someone claiming to be Binance customer, ask you to log into the account. Would you do this as a request? No, of course not. And then what would you do if you saw someone in the community posting about investments? Well, you wouldn't want to go anywhere near that. So you want to say, I don't believe any rates originate from outside the official Binance website. And then would you cooperate with someone who, under various names, asks you to download screen sharing software? Certainly not. You confirm. Okay, successful. Right, so I'm withdrawing the funds. I know where I'm sending my funds. Obviously, I've got my whitelisted address. I'm going to click on continue, showing us my network fee 0.0002 Bitcoin. I'm going to click on get code because obviously I've got two-factor authentication, which if you haven't got, I recommend you sort that out ASAP. So I'm going to click on that. I'm just going to wait for my email to come through from Binance. As that's coming through, I'll just show you if I can. Bear with me. Let's get this email through. If that hasn't come through yet, just give it a minute. Sometimes it takes a minute. As that's coming through, I've also got open a bitcoin.com wallet. I'll show you now. So there's another option. Let's just pretend we were sending it to a hot wallet instead of a hard wallet. You see here, you got my BTC wallet. You want to click here. So I'll go back to the home page. I want to receive funds. So I click on receive. I want to receive Bitcoin. And then I'm going to take my address here. So I can copy the address or you can scan the QR code, whichever one's easier. So I'm going to copy that address. And then I'd paste that into where I add the address into Binance where I just showed then. And it'll be the same principle. So yeah, once that deposit address in, it'll come right by here then, same as mine is by here. Obviously, I'd always double check it before you send it. The easiest way to do it, if you look at the first 5 letters and the last 5 letters, you won't go wrong. Yeah, that's an easy way of tracking your address rapid. So in my case, I'm sending it to my hardware wallet. So let's just see if my emails come through from Binance. Bear with me. Sometimes it can take a moment. Bear with me. Yeah, I've got my withdrawal address. It went in my junk box for some reason. So I'm going to put my code in. I'm also using Google Authenticator. So I'm going to pull up Google Authenticator. Just pull up my code, 2 seconds. So like I said, I use two-factor authentication to back up everything. So we just get my code. Okay. And I'm sending my funds. So complete. Just check there's no more emails coming through. I should see at the bottom now. So awaiting approval. So waiting for the funds to be sent now. Let me just double check no emails come through. Check my junk box. Check my normal box. So we're waiting for a confirmation now on the block that the system started procedure withdrawal request. So once that goes through, we'll come back to this. So let's give it a minute. Let's let it go through. Okay, guys. So it's still processing. It's taken a few minutes, but it still seems to be processing. If I click on processing, you'll be able to see here we got an estimated withdrawal time. Seems to be running a bit slow today, but I can show you. So we know it's landed in the wallet. It just hasn't confirmed. So if I click on my wallet that I'm sending it to, you can see by here that the funds are received. If we click by here, you can see here right by here saying not confirmed. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward. How to send your Bitcoin out of Binance. So just to recap. So you want to go to the address book first, add your deposit address from the wallet you're using, i.e. If you were using the bitcoin.com wallet, for example, you take the deposit address and you drop it into the Bitcoin wallet. Obviously, select the Bitcoin network. You always want to use the same network as the coin you're sending. And what I'd always recommend as well, if you're a newbie, send a small amount first as a test. And you're adding the address in, and you just do a test amount first, and then once the wallet address is in, I guess it's always there. But I'd always start with a small amount first, as a good rule of thumb, so that you don't risk losing your funds by sending a larger amount. But other than that, guys, hope that helps. Like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed the video, and much appreciated. Thank you very much.